innovate and simplify is Be Construtivo. We work to generate profitable business with trust and durable relationships, thus offering a competitive advantage. We were born within the cloud computing universe, and we sell all of our solutions in the software as a service model. With over 100,000 users served in a fully redundant network with international security standards, we operate in the largest infrastructure projects in the country. To support our strategy, we have the Construtivo, which is a cloud collaboration platform from Construtivo for the management of documents, processes, and information. The Construtivo platform ecosystem has numerous market players to ensure the greatest capacity for BIM integration in our clients' projects.